Hey guys, your girl Brittany here, and welcome back to my new friends. Today I want to do a summer share of a project that I had done. So before I go ahead and do that, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you always see my new video uploads, and make sure you go ahead and thumbs up that video. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a share of the very first swap that I hosted over on my Patreon, BB's Crafty Peeps, and this is our very first swap, and it is a summer version. And for this one, we were to create a memory dex card, 2 tags, 2 cards, and 2 embellishments, and it just had to be in summer theme. And for mine, I had used the collection Summer Daydreams by Tracy Smith, and this is a photo play collection here that I had used. And I had remember that tutorial that I did that was the card pocket the card pocket holder. Well, like I said, you could go ahead and use it as a Happy Mail type pocket. So this is the pocket that I did. So instead of breaking it up into 2 different size pockets, I have one long pocket here, and then here is the back, and I did mat the inside as well so it'll be more sturdy. And then here I had just did some simple shapes of circle punches, and I had layered them with some of the cardstock, and I had created some bubbles using white pen, and it says summer is, and I added some gold sequin thread there as well. Also popped up some bubbles in dimension. I took my circle punch and punched out some pieces from the collection and adhered that onto the pocket as well. So the first part that I'm going to show are my cards. So here are the envelopes for both my cards here. And this one says the day was perfect, and it has this fun little ice cream here. I do have some double-sided tape as well for when my partner receives it and wants to use it. And here is the first card. I did a mini slimline card, so this measures out to be a 3x6, and I used some of the summer stickers here and spelled it out. I also did a shaker in the center. I did some buttons here, and I also have these little watermelon pieces. These are the things from the Buttons Galore and More. I did do an unboxing on this as well, and we have the summer melon and then the Anne's quilt pieces that I did there. And then on the inside I did some matting and then added one of the little ice cream popsicle pieces, and it says Sweet Life. So that is that one. And this next one here, I have this little garland here of flip-flops, and it says Vacation Time. And then this one goes like this, and it says Hello Summer with the little flip-flops. And again, we have the Anne's quilt pieces here, and I did it into a shaker. And then when we open her up, I have again some of the flip-flop garlands and flip-flop right here, and then you have the space right here to go ahead and write your sentiment to whomever. Next thing I did are the tags, and here is the packaging for that one. Here I did Crazy Bubbly Days and Endless Summer Nights, and I had some leftover of the bubble pieces there and added that onto the bag topper, and it is layered like so. So the first tag that I created here, I did use some chipboard so I'd make sure it was nice and sturdy. I added some tulle in the background with a little floaty, some flip-flops. It says happiness is floating in the cool water under a hot sun. Again, I added the little bubble circles that I created with some sequin thread, and then I used these Tahitian pearls from Buttons Galore and More and added those throughout the tag to emulate bubbles. And then I also added some bling pieces as well. And then for this one, as it says Easy Breezy, I added one of the stickers from the collection, as well as this little scooter here. It says I Love Summer in the background on the sunglasses. I had cut in half a little pinwheel in the background. Again, added pieces from Anne's quilt throughout the tag, and then some bling as well. So those are the tags for my project. Next thing I created for my embellishments are these 2 watermelon slices that I created on my silhouette cameo. and I made them into shakers here. And then this one, I used the Summer Melon from Buttons Galore and More, and then I also added some stickles onto the green piece of the watermelon. And then I just did some of the Summer Melon pieces on top, and then I did some fussy cutting from the collection where it says enjoy, and then this bottom part here it says summer, just on the opposite end there. So cute little summer embellishments I have there. And last but not least is my memory decks card, which I absolutely love. And we have this here, a lot of fun dimensional and layering pieces here. So what I did was I took a mason jar die cut and I made it into a shaker. And you can see I have some shaker elements in the background. I added a straw at the top and then a dangle here. This with this little fruit drink that I got from Happy Crafter shop. And then I also added some Heishi beads here. Again, so a little watermelon slice in the background. I did a ruffle banner and it says Lazy Summer Days. And I added some flowers here in the collection and also in gold. And then I made it really, really sturdy. It's about 5 layers thick. And then on the back, it just has my information. And then my address is underneath the washi tape there. So that is what the memory decks card looks like. Here's the content of the pocket here. So with everything all nice and loaded up, I have the cards, the tags, the memory decks, and the embellishment. And it comes out super nice, all put together. So here is another idea for you guys to utilize the pocket as Happy Mail storage. And again, this is my project for my very first swap that I hosted over on my Patreon. Of course, the link to my Patreon is down below in my description box, and as well as the videos that I've mentioned previously. So thank you so much, guys. I do hope you enjoy the project that I created, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!